I hope you found the first video helpful. Now in the second video, this is all about our most popular feature, and that's connecting with a live tutor for tutor.com. So here we go. Right at the home page, connect with a tutor now. And you have some fields to fill out. Math, science, English, reading, social studies, a wide variety of topics. Next, you want to go to subject. Now you can be more specific in your topic. So you want to do math, maybe you want to do a basic math subject, and select grade, kindergarten all the way through college and into an adult. A wide range. And then, of course, what library are you in? You select whether you're at home or in the library or someplace else. And you have the choice of chatting one-on-one with a tutor, or if you do have a mic and you prefer to chat and voice with your tutor. And then you want to enter your question. And then you would click Connect Now. And you'll be in a queue until your turn with a tutor is available. And of course, remember, a live tutor is available every day from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. I hope you found these two videos helpful. You can always give me a call here, Mr. Joe. The number to the library is 516-481-6990, extension 5. And I can help you with any questions you may have. You can also email me, joe@hempsteadlibrary.info. Thanks for your time.